मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे, मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे। साईं राम 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 सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साईं, सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साईं परती के अवतारा, परती के अवतारा मेरे बाबा मेरे साईं, मेरे बाबा मेरे साईं। साईं राम साईं राम साईं राम साईं राम साईं राम साईं राम साईं राम। हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे, हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे, मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे, मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे। साईं राम 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 सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Om Sri Sai Ram. Welcome to the first week of Sai Wisdom SSC CHSL preparation classes. This class will be dedicated to logical reasoning. I request all of you to kindly be on mute while the presentation or the lecture goes on. जो students माने join करी सारचंती समस्त को request कि सेमानकर device name टाको change करंतु। बहुत जन device name रे रहुचंती ताको change करके निज नाटी को लेखंतु so that we can take the attendance. It will be helping us. I take immense pleasure to introduce and welcome brother Sujit Kumar Acharya today. जे कि आपण मानकर logical reasoning class नेबे। Brother Sujit Acharya और सुजित भाई तंको आपण डाकी परंती। He presently works as the director with SAP. Brother will be taking your logical reasoning classes, a very amiable person, and by nature, he is very, very helping too. I request Brother Sujit to kindly unmute and begin your class. Sai Ram.
Thank you. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. So I see there are a lot of friends who have joined, and yes, so I will be taking this logical reasoning class. So as Pradipta has mentioned that my name is Sujit, And I am currently working in a software company, and I am very passionate about this subject. And I thought that, okay, let me try to help you from whatever from my capacity to all of you. So as I understand that most of you are conversant in Odia, right? Samasta Odia pila na ethi kiye achi emti je ki Odia bujhuni. Okay, I mean, how do we communicate is that, okay, without much disruptions is ki dekho jo Zoom tame use karucho. So there is a option of raising your hand, right? Can you see that? So if you can raise your hands, so I will know that, okay, how many of you can communicate through that. Is that possible?
Yes, so we could see some of you are using chat box. You can also raise your hand. Participant list re apna raise hand option paijibe.
Perfect. I see that there is Lakshmi Priya, Jyotimaya has raised their hand. So I see there are two hands. So my question is that, okay, is there anyone who does not understand Odia? कि ओडिया बुझू ही नहीं सेमाने ही रेज करिए जो माने रेज हैंड करचंदी से माने रेज माने अनरेज कर दियंतु सने तळु को हाथ कर दियंतु. So okay, I can understand that samaste Odia buji paruchan. So basically I will use both the languages, English and Odia. So it helle samaste comfortable feel kari paribe. So we will use this both the languages, the dual language, to conduct this lecture. Okay. Okay, perfect. So as Pradipta mentioned that, okay, we will be taking or we will be discussing the logical reasoning aspect, and all of us know that, okay, this is the exam which has 100 questions, and 25 in English, 25 in logical reasoning, 25 in maths and or quantitative aptitude, and the other 25 in the general awareness, right? And we have only 60 minutes. In that 60 minutes, we have to solve 100 questions. So which comes down to 36 seconds for each of these questions, which is definitely a tough ask. So it is extremely important for us to know which of these questions we should attend and which of these questions we should leave, right? Because if you try to, sometimes what happens, I remember when I was appearing for such kind of exams long time back. So I was thinking that, okay, I need to solve all the problems because so why should I leave any of these questions? Then what happens is that, okay, suppose a tough question comes, the examiner has put that tough question for you to decide to leave that question. Okay, because it's a tough question, it will take a lot of time to complete that question. If you attempt that question, then what will happen is that, okay, you will spend a lot of time there, and naturally you will not be able to solve all the easier questions. So if you see, the general awareness part is probably most straightforward, right? So when the question comes, the time taken to solve that question is the amount of time you spend to read that question. 1956 रे कौन हेइतला किए को युद्ध हेइतला किए से युद्ध जीतितला, so on. So you will know that answer as soon as you read the question, right? So you cannot spend too much time there. Similarly, English questions, suppose a question comes that, okay, what is the meaning of this word, or what is the antonym or synonym of this word? So again, you do not need to think too much there. If you know that answer, you do it. If you don't know, you move forward. The two tricky subjects are mathematics and logical reasoning. So of course, here, as soon as you read the question, you will not be able to answer that question. You have to put some your thought process there, some calculations and all these things that you have to put there. So again, you need to again decide that, okay, which of these questions you have to attempt and which of the questions you need to leave. When since we are not discussing mathematics today, so you will be talking, you will be understanding mathematics in some other classes. When in the logical reasoning, again the same thing. So let's say there are 25 questions, and you know that, again, you need to solve these 25 questions in less than 15 minutes. And so if you see that, okay, in 15 minutes, if you have to solve these 25 questions, probably you might not be able to solve each and every question, one of them, right? Some questions takes a lot of time and some question will take much lesser time. So if, and the only way to tackle this kind of questions is to do rigorous practice. Jette adhika practice karibo sette shigra ei question guda solve hoye paribo, right? So logical reasoning is something that we will tackle today, that okay, how can we handle these questions in minimal time, and what kind of questions we should try to solve, and what kind of questions we will leave, because those take a lot of time. Probably we will only attempt those if we get more time later on, right? Okay, so now comes to logical reasoning. So what is logical reasoning? So logic is, as you understand, that okay, it is a part of philosophy. এটা ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ subject. So ଦର୍ଶନ ଶାସ୍ତ୍ର ବା philosophy ର ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ part, right? So huge amount of work has happened in the area of logic. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा philosopher एथिरे काम करिसंती. And logic is something which is trying to test your thinking power, isn't it? So जेकोसी जिंस हमें करू, हमें भाबू जे एटार करिवार रीजन कोन, right? Eta kahi ki hela. So as you have understood, cause and effect, right? So if there is a thing that has happened, so you are trying to find out what is the cause, or if there is a thing that has there is a cause, then you try to find out what will be the consequence of that, right? Cause and effect. So logic is also very much those who love detective work, right? Or those who love detective series. Konasi series jetobale tame dekcho Byomkesh Bakshi ama bele ame pila bele Byomkesh Bakshi dekhthulu, and now many of you might have seen the new series Sherlock, or maybe you might have read books of detective series. And Hindi re bhi se bahut Hindi series bhi bahut achi. What do? They do deduction, they do logical analysis of a particular incident, particular event, and that is where logic coming into picture. So there are different aspects of logic, bahut patha achi ta bhitere. So one of the things that we will try to handle today is Venn diagram, and this is, according to me, is one of the easiest subject of logical reasoning. So with the raise of hands, can you please tell me who think that Venn diagram is a difficult subject? Because if you don't raise your hand, then I will assume that everybody thinks that it's a very easy subject and you can easily handle it. And then I will ask questions. Venn diagram kahaku difficult laguchi? Because I know that okay, everybody has studied this in school. Eta school le hi padhai chi samastaku. I see only one hand. So apart from one hand, everybody thinks Venn diagram. Oh, three. So 3 people think Venn diagram is not that easy. 4. Okay, so but most of you think that Venn diagram is easy, and I agree with you that Venn diagram is an easy subject, and you can now concentrate on these things. Okay, so let's look at what is Venn diagram and what kind of questions that come in the exam and how do we handle those. Okay, so can you see my screen? Can anybody unmute and say that okay, whether you can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So what is a Venn diagram? So Venn diagram shows the logical relationship between a group of different things in a visual way, right? So kemiti ame different objects ku logically represent kari pariba, taku Venn diagram kuha jaye. So we will try to now put logic to words or the relationship between different objects, right? So normally Venn diagrams employ overlapping circles, but also we will see that okay, there are in certain questions there will be different kind of shapes that will be there. Okay, so there are different kind of Venn diagrams or different kind of relationship that we will see. So let's go through one by one, and I'm sure that okay, I will not be able to cover everything, but then you can also discuss with me in the next time. Okay, so first we will look at some of the easiest ones. Okay, for example, we will see there are 3 concentric circles. So what this represent is, for example, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. There are 3 circles, right? So the first one is saying, गोटे अछि ता ऊपर आ गोटे ताकू एनसर्कल करिक अछि ता ऊपर आ गोटे एनसर्कल अछि, राइट. So for example, let's say the C is Bhubaneswar. So this is Bhubaneswar. तो भुवनेश्वर ऊपर ओडिशा, तो ओडिशा ऊपर इंडिया, राइट. सो बेसिकली इंडिया भितर ओडिशा अछि, ओडिशा भितर भुवनेश्वर अछि. वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, राइट. So similarly, if we can think that, okay, let's say human beings is the big circle. Inside it we have men, right, because we can have men and women, and then inside that we can have doctors, right. So if these three things comes, human beings, man and doctors, so this is the correct way of representation. Can you give another example that, okay, what could be another example of which can be represented in this kind of thing?
Sir, food,
Anyone?
fruits and an apple.
Very good. Food is the big circle. Fruits, because fruit is also one type of food, and apples, right, is perfect. So this is perfect. Then let's go to the next one. So the next one is disjoint circles. So kaha sange relationship nahi. For example, let's say tigers, lions and horses. एमाने परस्पर संगे किछि relationship नाइ, right. So tiger, lions and horses. This is one of the easiest one. Doctors, engineer and police, right. So these are three different professions. Kaha संगे कार relationship नाइ. So this can be shown in three different circles, right. ये circle kaha संगे की link nahi. So similarly, can you give another example? Anyone?
Sir, Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood.
Okay, Bollywood, Tollywood and Hollywood. Perfect. So that could be another example. So then we go for illustration 3. Now we will come to some of the tricky parts, right. So in this example, what we see that, okay, there is some kind of overlap between this circle and this circle, and there is a overlap between this circle and this circle, but there is no overlap between B and C. Okay, there is no overlap between B and C, but there is. So we say some B are A, some C are A. Okay, but there is no B is A. Sorry, no B is C. Okay, so for example, we can say pets, dogs and cats, right. So this is, let's say A, this is pets, all kind of pets will be there. Then of course this is dogs, because some dogs can be pets and some dogs rastar jo buloti. Similarly, some cats could be pets and some cats so pets, dogs and cats could be such kind of example. Then another example could be school books, history books and mathematics books. So let's say this is school books, all kind of school books will be there. There is history books, but some history books are not school books, right. Similarly, there will be mathematics books. Some mathematics books will not be school books, maybe those are for higher studies. Okay, so similarly, can you give another example?
Sir, Odisha, Bhadrak, Baleshwar.
Odisha, Bhadrak and Baleshwar केमिति आसीबो सेटा दरा ଆମେ एमति करिबा.
Odisha भितरे Bhadrak, Baleshwar जाउची तो.
Correct. Odisha भितरे Bhadrak and Baleshwar जाउची. Is it possible that Bhadrak ta Odisha भितरे नाही? There will be something. So a example le hochi some B are A, but you can also say some B are not A, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Can you? So Odisha, Bhadrak और Baleshwar जदि हमें करिबा सेटा हबो एमती. Odisha, Bhadrak and Baleshwar, because Odisha भितरे दिटा गछंती. So another example.
Sairam, language, English, Hindi.
Language. Again, language रे कौन हबो? English और Hindi, isn't it? केमिति? Now, is it a possibility that is there any part of English which is not a language? No, right?
Sir, woman, mother, teacher. Woman, mother, teacher.
Again, same thing. No, it's a very good thing. So mother, woman,
Teacher.
because teacher could be like this, right? right? It is again, is there any possibility somebody can be a mother but not a woman? Is it possible? Jone mother thibo kintu se woman hai nathibo. Not possible, right?
Sir, language
Sir,
रे Urdu and Hindi.
So
we can distribute this language as Indian language. Then Indian language is Hindi and English. But Indian language is Hindi भी रहेगा, but English भी रहेगा, but both Hindi and English only India रे कहा जाएगा. तो ये example टा भी है परिबो.
but correct, but then we are not discussing whether it is being told there or not. So suppose you create this kind of thing, people who talk. तापरे हम एमडी करिया people, Indians, or rather we'll say Indians who talk, or rather we say in, okay, so एमडी करि परिया. So how do I erase
Sir?
those things? Yeah.
Sir, freedom fighters, men and women.
Freedom fighters. This is a good one, right? So we have freedom fighters.
Sir,
Men and women.
Men, very
And
good.
women.
This is a good one, right?
sir,
Freedom
parents,
fighters.
parents, brothers and sisters.
So we say, let's say parents,
Brother and sister.
but parents, brothers and sisters could be like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Brothers and sisters. Yeah, that could be also a possibility like this. I would join the Indians, right? Hindi speaking people and English speaking people, right? So that is what you're saying. But because actually this is a Indians, Hindi speaking people, English speaking people. So we will, anyway, we have some examples here. So this is a very good example. And so we move on and try to look at the other things, right? So 8 I already discussed already, right? So jo time mein dekhle Odisha, Bhadrak, Baleswar, right? Same thing we saw, right? So, animals, A hoche animals, ta bhitor cats, dogs, right? There is no link between cats and dogs, but both are animals. School books, history books and mathematics books, right? So because we saw that, okay, there are some school books which are neither history books or mathematics books, but there are history books which are school books, but there are some history books which are not school books. But jodi seta kame khali books kar daba, okay, only books, then it will be the big circle, and inside that we will have history books and mathematics books, because all the history books are books, all the mathematics books are books. So both are part of this, and but no history book and no mathematics books are the same. So books with history books and mathematics books, right? How any example, but anyway, we discussed this thing multiple times here, right? Language, English, Hindi could be like one of the illustration here. So we'll skip this one. So next we will see like this kind of example that, okay, A is the bigger circle, B and C will be an overlapping circle inside it. For example, men have vegetarians. So this is like vegetarians people, and these are non-vegetarian people. And there are people who eat both, right? Could be vegetarians, could be non-vegetarian as well. Now we assume predominantly that, okay, those non-vegetarians also eat vegetarians. So similarly, we can think books. There are school books and there are history books. No, this could not be, yeah. So there are school books and there are history books, right? So this could be another example. Any such example? Can you give more?
Sir, actor, hero and heroine.
But hero and heroine ko bhitere eta common ta kon rebo? So what will we call? So actor, if you see actor, hero and heroine, they are not, there is nobody who is both hero and heroine. Emta film tum dekhini jiki jone hero hoithibo sei hi heroine hoithibo. So another example, we good try another example. किछि कॉमन थिबो तांका भितरे राइट किंतु गोटे लोक बी भी हे परिबो सी भी हे परिबो
Sir, temple, Jagannath temple or Lingaraj temple?
बट अगेन जगन्नाथ टेंपल और लिंगराज टेंपल ता का भितर कॉमन किछि नाही isn't it
Okay, sir.
no I'm not saying that what is the common attribute between them so I am what you need to think is that okay it was a set it is not one thing it is a set of things right so the question is that okay what is there any b which could be also be c is there any c which could be b for example if I say let's say this is men total number of people or men then I say this is people or men sorry not people but men age between 20 and 30 I would agree men age between 25 and 35 so if I am a man of 20 year old so I will be here if I'm a man of 26-year-old then I will be here if I'm a man of 30-year-old then I will be here understood so the who is common so 25 to 30 so anybody between 25 to 30 should fall into this area isn't it so I mean jo kale books school books history books so all books are there this is all books so now this is school books right a school books re kichita history book achi आ एपटे रहला एटा समुदाय सब हिस्ट्री बुक्स सो अगेन किछिटा स्कूल हिस्ट्री बुक अछि आ किछटा नॉर्मल हिस्ट्री बुक अछि जोटा स्कूल हिस्ट्री रो बुक्स नय but as okay if some example is not coming into your mind it's okay but as long as you understand it's
Sir, men, father, and teacher.
men it's a good point but normally our eta gote he paribo father right but the teacher could be woman as well isn't it tame jodi कहबो human beings fathers and teachers then it's okay
Sir, we can do also in student and student and who plays cricket and another is who plays hockey.
yes so all students in my class students who are playing cricket students who are playing hockey and there are some guys who play both right that could be another example good example yes okay moving on the next illustration is where you see that okay there are two concentric circles the other circle is completely out of it there is no link for example animals cats right all cats are animals and then buildings is outside right all cats are animals but no building is either cat or animal right you all and no some taku ame pore use kariba I am not trying to confuse you with those things but we will discuss that in the another next subject of syllogism so seita pore discussion kariya but then as you see here that okay sabu cats go to the animal right all cats are animals but no building is either cat or animal seita bahare rahila similarly let's say books history books and pens books or history books edita rahila pens will be completely out so this is an easy example again eta ote sahaj asi gala eta bahut tume kari paribo let's say Indians Odia and let's say you say Singaporeans right these are outside or any more example can you give more example like this
Color.
Sir, vegetables.
Mhm.
Sir, vegetables.
Mhm.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Chicken.
Very good this is easy right it is
Yes, sir.
easy so we'll move on again it's an easy one so we'll move on to the next one now this is very interesting so what you see is that okay same example kintu ei jo c ta some c are part of A. For example, let's say we'll see employees, manager, right? So employees and manager would be this, right? Because if you want to be a manager, you have to be an employee. But there is a labor union member, right? Labor union member need not be an employee of that company. So, but it will not never be a manager, right? Labor union are only workers. So you will see that this is a workers and labor union members, but there are no managers. Got it? Can you give another example? Let's say school employees. We have teachers. So all teachers, let's say, are school employee, and we have, let's say, bus drivers. There are some bus drivers who are part of the school, right? They drive the school bus. But there are many bus drivers who are not part of the school employees.
Sir,
Another example.
animals, elephant or tiger?
Okay, animals, elephants,
Tigers.
but again, tigers will be like this. Is there any tiger which is not an animal? It has to be like this, right? I mean, elephants,
Yes.
tigers will like this.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Another example.
Sir, school employees, teacher, peon.
हबो सेटा एटा बस ड्राइवर जगह रे तुम पियन जदी करिवो हे परिवो आउ anyway as long as you understand, you don't have to put too much mind into it. So what you will do is that, okay, एमती create करिवो and निजे चिंता करिवो कोन सब example हे परिवो. Again मु जरा मुळुर कहली जे this is a question that you can solve very fast, right? एटा पढि साला मात्र ही आंसर तार दे देबा उचित. Now this is another example where एटा में देखले कोन ना एटा ए सर्कल टा केवल ए टा को कवर करथला किंतु नेक्स्ट सर्कल टा में देखिबा जे this is also covering this the B circle as well. For example, let's say females, this is A which females, B which mother. Is there any mother which is not a female? Of course, every mother is a female. But then we have doctors, right? Let's say this is doctors. So what happens is that, okay, can a doctor be a female? Of course, doctors are not female as well, right? Some doctors are men. Can a doctor be a female as well as a mother? The answer is yes, right? So doctors, so this is completely female, this is mothers, and this is doctors, right? Female, mothers, and doctors. So if this person is, she is a female, she is a doctor, as well as she is a mother, right? Another example. Let's say I say children, boys, educated, let's say. What happens? So these are children. Now there are boys in it, girls in it. And if I look at educated, of course, this person is a boy. Of course, he is a child, as well as he is educated. Whereas this person is not a child, is not a boy. Let's say he's an adult girl, and she is educated, right? So another example. You're taking, you got the point, right? So there will be some people, or there will be some examples which will be all three, and there will be some examples which will not be any of these two, right? So if you can get that, then you can go for this this kind of diagram. Then we will see like this kind. This is a very common diagram. I may set up class 6 re hi aaramb karta hu eta dekhi, right? So for example, data let's say we say some people who love pizza. There are some people who love ice cream and love chocolates. So a lokota kon pauchi से पिज्जा भी भल पाउची, आइसक्रीम भी खाइयो भल पाउची और चॉकलेट भी खाइयो भल पाउची. Whereas ए जो लोकटा से कौन पाउछ से पिज्जा भल पाउची chocolate भल पाउची किंतु आइसक्रीम खाया भल पाउनी, right? So this is a common example of how you all the three circles are joining together, and in the class session mu avada badhiya example bi aro de parbi. Can somebody give another example of this?
Sir, man, employed and married.
Man, employed, very good. So this is possible because there are some ei jagar ki rahibo tale women who are employed, isn't it? Ei jagar ki rahibo man, those who are not employed. Then you said married. Right? So now eti ke rahibo ei jagar rahibo women who are not employed and women who are not employed but married, right? So eti semane rahi paribe. So this is a very good example. So men, employed and married, right? So now you understood. So let's move on to illustration 10, which is like some B is some C, right? Some B are C and some C are B, but no A is B or C. So for example, it again very easy, horses, men and doctors, right? Horses pura bahar rahela, men and doctors eta rahela. Eta both again very easy ejibo. Women, doctors, pizza, right? So there is no link between pizza and women and doctors. So pizza is completely out, and women and doctors are, there are some women who are doctors and there are some doctors who are women, right? Another example could be,
Sir, father, mother, and uncle.
okay, but father or mother bhitere eta kon rehla, mane is there any person who is both father and mother? No, there is no person who is both father and mother.
Sir, edible fungus, mushroom, and chicken.
Edible fungus, mushroom and chicken. Yes, that's a good example. So edible fungus, mushroom and chicken. That's a very good example. Okay, so you have understood that. So let's go to the last one. Is like this, right? B and C, some B are C, and A ta kebala A B or C common bhitar rahibo. For example, let's say we say batsman, B is batsman, C is bowler. So ei je majita kon habo tale jodi batsman and bowler bhitar combined hoye eta majita kon habo all rounders, right? Both who can bat and bowl. And then let's say we create a database of top rated all rounders, just about the best top 10 all rounders. So those will be here, but they are not all the all rounders are not part of A group, right? Another example, can you give? It could be very, very specific. For example, let's say we say singers, musicians. All musicians are not singers. All singers are not musicians. Let's say we say A.R. Rahman. Okay, A.R. Rahman is both musician as well as singer, right? Another example.
Sir, doctor, man, and surgeon.
Doctor, man, and surgeon. Very good. Very good example. Doctor. Could be doctor and man, right? Doctor or man. Eta fatkin kar dabo. Now, sabu bale chinta karibo je jetobale dita mu kemiti kar debi and third ta ko kouthi rakhibi. So doctor or man, and now surgeon could be. No, this is little bit tricky. It could be surgeon here, right? But then the question here is that okay, can there be a surgeon which is neither not a man, right? It's a possibility that okay, a doctor empty isn't it?
So we can do man, we can change it to human.
But is there any doctor who is not a human? Is there any doctor which is not a human? Then doctor or human I am in this your human doctor because every doctor is a human. Anyway, you you got the example, so I will not waste too much time here. So then let's practice. So we will do some practice very quickly here, and then I will show you some, I will give you some questions, and you can practice at home, and then next time we can discuss. So let's say week, day, year. Kemti haba eta? Who can answer? Week, day, year. Very
Sir,
simple.
first year
Concentric circle.
Very good. Concentric circle. Very good.
week,
Week.
then day,
This is year.
then week,
This
then day.
This is week. This is day. Right? So जदि गोटे क्वेश्चन पड़थिबो week, day और year, फटकी नाम कर दे परिया एटा. पड़िबो mammals, cows and crows. कमना केमते हबो?
Two adjoining circle, one separate circle.
Adjoining or concentric?
Concentric, sorry.
Correct.
Sir,
So
concentric.
this is mammals and this is cows and crows will be outside, isn't it? Grains, wheat and maize. All grains, wheat.
All grains, then wheat and maize. Got
Correct.
a circle.
Correct. Planet, Earth, Sun. कौन हबो? एमती हबो, right? This is planet. Earth is also a planet. Sun is outside. It's not a planet, isn't it? Similarly, next one. Honesty, intelligence, aptitude. Right? A question पढ़थिला. Honesty, intelligence and aptitude. And इटा बहुत लोग भूल करतले.
Sir,
समस्त एमती कर
one,
देतले.
one bigger circle, ता मझिरे दीटा रहइबो.
एमती कोचन.
Adjoining, dita adjoining.
It overlapping. Kochon adjoining. Overlapping, right?
Overlapping, right.
Okay. So कौन है এটা? এটা কোটা কোন হবো?
Sir,
First টা
aptitude
কোন?
under aptitude होची overall circle टा. Then honesty and intelligence होची dita inner circle.
Okay. So suppose is there a possibility गोटे लोक बहुत honest किंतु से गोटे गध लोकटे तार किछि aptitude नहीं? Possible? Possible, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So এটা তো से तो बाहर पड़ेला.
So तीनटा अंक सेपरेट हबो.
हाँ, तीनटा को अलग. कारण एठी हम लोक विषय डिस्कशन करने. हमें यदि डिस्कस करता ने honest people, intelligent people and aptitude आउटे माने जो माने बहुत हाई aptitude अछि ताहले सेंटी रहइबो. किंतु बर्तन कोन होछि ना हम honesty, intelligence and aptitude. Intelligence, aptitude टा कोन? Intelligence रो usage. Not necessarily समस्त यूज करंती. गोटे लोगटे जंगल अछि बहुत intelligent किंतु तार aptitude किछि नै. Possible? Honesty, intelligence, aptitude तीनटा गुण जोटा कि तीनटा अलग अलग सर्कल रहइबो. Okay?
Sir,
Tea, coffee.
तीनटा को overlap ହେଇକି ରହିବନି?
एमिति हां एटा भी. So this is the confusion, right? So there was a debate that okay, is it possible like this? So what the council said that okay, this is possible when we say honest people, intelligent people and with good aptitude, right? Then empty rahibo. Kintu this is not, we are not discussing whether it is honest person or not. We are discussing whether what is the characteristic. This is a characteristic, this is a characteristic and this is a characteristic. Okay, so jodi seita tame question dekhibo jodi lekha thito honest, intelligent and with great aptitude, right? Then eta habo. You are right. Okay, but since these are three characteristics alone and there is no three characteristics which are common to each other, so ame eta ko empty kariya. Okay, tea, coffee, drinks kente habo?
Drinks
Very easy.
bhitore tea and coffee.
Then ta bhitor tea and coffee.
Perfect. Students, first divisioners, second divisioners, same thing, right? All students, first
All
divisioners,
students,
second
then
divisioners.
first division, second division go to run.
Goat, carnivores, lions, very easy. Carnivores with a lions, goat bar, very easy, right? So we will do some more practice. Empty question padibo, right? This is the question that you will see. Which figure will best represent the relationship among three classes? Doctor, teacher, and woman. Kota. Doctor, teacher, and woman.
Sir, option D.
Sir, option A.
Option D jane कहला.
Yes,
Option
sir.
A. How?
Sir, option A.
Sir, option A.
Okay.
Sir, option B.
के जण कहउछन्ती ऑप्शन ए तीनटा आंसर मु पाई सारनी ऑलरेडी तो एटा गोटिए बोधे नुहे डॉक्टर टीचर एंड वुमेन सो आमे देखिया देन इज देयर एनी पॉसिबिलिटी somebody is both doctor and teacher is it possible
Yes, sir.
both doctor as well as a teacher so there are two options that is possible right तो एटा तो केबे नुहे आमे भाबिले एटा केबे नहीं परिबो नहीं काहे कि ना माने आमे कोन करे वुमेन भीतर जदी आमे केवल डॉक्टर रखी दबा तामे आमे कुछ मेन डॉक्टर ही परिबेनी दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल राइट सो इट इज नॉट देयर सो आमे एटा भी रखी परिबानी दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल नाउ हमर कंफ्यूजन होची ए दिटा भीतर राइट ए दिटा भीतर कंफ्यूजन इजंट इट सो एटा तो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड हे जाउची जदी आमे भाबिबा जे सबु वुमेन का भीतर डॉक्टर एंड टीचर रहिबे सेटा गोटे प्रकार हे जिवो एटा आंसर हे जिवो नेक्स्ट आंसर होची एटा सेटा हबो डॉक्टर टीचर और वुमेन आमे जदी सबु जगह यूज केस को आदरे पक्की दे परिया ताले हमर ए आंसर ता ठीक हबो इज देयर एनी डॉक्टर which is not a teacher and a woman possible right is there any woman which is not a doctor and teacher is there any teacher who is not a doctor and a woman तापर हमें एटा देखिया is there somebody who is both doctor as well as teacher तो कोटा ठीक हबो एटा भीतर एटा ठीक हबो ना एटा ठीक हबो if this is the question
Option B, sir.
Option B, sir.
okay then move on think about it and let me know next class that which is the right answer okay this is a task for you think about it deeply and option B and option D भीतर कोटा ठीक मंडे क्लास समस्त नोट कर दियो डॉक्टर टीचर वुमेन next question which one of the following diagrams represent the correct relationship between judge thief and criminal judge thief and criminal
Sir, option C.
option C तो एटा हबो
Option
judge
C.
एटा हबो judge एटा हबो thief एटा हबो criminal right very good easy move on next which one of the following diagrams best depict the relations between pen pencil and stationery
Option C.
option C देख लो फटकिन केन कहला so question पढु पढु आंसर टा आसिया कथा pen pencil stationery and this will only happen when you practice तापरे संदे आउ बहुत प्रैक्टिस करी पारिबा नेक्स्ट क्लास रे सो वी डू नॉट हैव टू मच टाइम हियर नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें डिस्कस करिवा ए बळ्या क्वेश्चन जोटा कि टिके मोर डिफिकल्ट एटा ए बळ्या क्वेश्चन पढी पारे किंबा नेक्स्ट डिफिकल्ट लेवल क्वेश्चन पढी पारे सता बळे रिप्रेजेंटेशन ता सर्कल न है कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर्स दिया जाय फॉर एग्जांपल एटा रे से डॉक्टर लिटरेट एंड मेल्स दिया जाय राइट doctor literate and males so instead of 3 concentric circles sorry 3 overlapping circles what they have shown is that okay gote ko circle करचंदी gote ko triangle करचंदी and gote ko rectangle करचंदी right किंतु एक्चुअली सेटा देखिया गले 3 सर्कल्स के रिप्रेजेंट करि पारथांते इजीली किंतु लोकन को कंफ्यूज करिया पई एम्ति करचंदी जा फଳରେ टिके तुमको टिके बेसी समय लागिवो एटा बुझिया को यदि एम्ति कर दैथांते तमे फटकिन आंसर कर दैथांतो एम्ति करिया द्वारा सेटा कोन होला तुमको टिके कष्ट लागिला किंतु प्रकृति रे एटा किछि कष्ट न एटा होची केवल कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स रो सॉरी ओवरलैपिंग सर्कल्स रो खेल राइट सो वी विल सी दिस काइंड ऑफ एग्जांपल्स इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास
So say alphabets गुरा कोनटा रिप्रेजेंट करे
ओके सो अल्फाबेट रिप्रेजेंट करूची धर ए होची ए परसेंट तक रिप्रेजेंट करूची ए होची ए परसेंट रिप्रेजेंट करूची सी होची ए परसेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करूची ओके डी करूची ए परसेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करूची एफ टा ए परसेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करूची ई ए परसेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करूची जी ए परसेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करूची बी एटा को रिप्रेजेंट करूची राइट सेटा रिप्रेजेंट करूची another example could be ame gote example it फटकिन देखितबा in the following figure given numbers of indicate Indian leader and singer. Indian leader and singers. Okay. Study the figures carefully. Which region among them denotes Indian leaders who are not singers? Indicate that number. So it number which region among them denotes Indian leaders who are not singers? So prathama dekhiya Indian how leader?
Sir, 2.
Two.
Very good. So Indian how leader hoche eta, right? Indian leader. ए दिटा प्रथमे दीटा को आगे देखि दबा. Indian leader. Indian leader. ता भितर दीटा अछि, 2 अछि, 3 अछि. देखो जे who are not singers? 2 singers ना 3 singers. 3 टा अछि singer भितर रहउछि. तनो 3 टा कटि गला. तनो रहिला कि 2. Very good answer. आउट करिया सेमती. एटा बडा कर मजा लागे. मुझे तो छोट पिला आइतली मते एगडा करिया बहुत बडा लागतला. Let's look at this one. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now let's we don't have too much time today, so let me do one thing. Let me give you a good example. So we will solve all these problems next time, and also I would request you to solve a lot of problems, practice a lot of problems, and come up with difficult ones for everyone. But these kind of questions we will do next time on Thursday. Okay. Kintu mu agota badha insert tamman kochi ko mane ikigai bisare janicho? Anybody knows about ikigai? Raise your hands. Okay. So I will tell you about what is ikigai. Okay. Have you seen this picture before? तमे माने वर्तमान गोटे स्टेज आछो जेतले तमे डिसाइड करछो जे तमे जीवन रे कोन करिवो, राइट? वर्तमान तमे बडा गेलानी, समस्त डिसाइड करछो जीवन रे कोन करिवो, किंतु कोन जीवन रे करिया उचित बा मु कोन करिया को चाहूची एडा बहुत लोक जान नथांती. बहुत लोक दुनिया रे जान नथांती जे सेमान को कोन करिवा उचित. सेतमे गोटे जापानीज कांसेप्ट अछि ताको कहंती इकिगाई. बुझिलो? जापानीज कांसेप्ट कहंती इकिगाई. एंड सेटा एतमे मु तुमको आज एटा कहूची बिकॉज़ सेटा को वेन डायग्राम रे. So चारटा ओवरलैपिंग सर्कल अछि. कोन ना व्हाट यू आर गुड एट. तमे कोथरे भलो, कि म्यूजिक बजारे भलो, कि गीत बोलिबारे भलो, कि क्रिकेट खेलियारे भलो, कि मैथमेटिक्स करियारे भलो, कार लॉजिकल रीजनिंग भलो होची, कार फार्मिंग बढ़िया होची. So there are gardening बढ़िया होची. So what you are good at, right? Then what you love to do. Not necessarily that these are the same thing. For example, तमरो मैथमेटिक्स बहुत भलो होथाय पारे, किंतु तमरो एक्चुअली सिंगिंग करे इच्छा, किंतु तमे एक भलो सिंगर नुए. It's a possible, किंतु it is also possible that जोटा तमे भलो पाउचो सेटा you might be good at it as well, right? What you love. Then comes what you can be paid for. एमिति भी हेई पारे जे तमे गोटे जिंस रे बहुत बढ़िया, ओके, आ से जिंसटा तमको बहुत बढ़िया करिया इच्छा होची, what you love. But unfortunately सेथरे किछि पैसा नाही. For example, तमर इच्छा अछि जे मु मोर कोन करियर मते भल लागे ना, मते जो let's say गोडी संपर्क करिया भल लागे, let's say. So I'm good at that, I love to do that, किंतु you will not be paid for it. Nobody is going to pay for you. हम मते गुल्ली खेलिया भल लागे, right? जो पिला गुल्ली खेलंती मते सेटा बडा लागे, but nobody is going to pay me for that, right? So then the last one is what the world needs, right? Let's assume कि तमे गोटे गुल्ली खेलार चैंपियनशिप हे गलो, चैंपियन हे गलो, किंतु unfortunately does the world really need it, right? The world might not need it. Does the world need it? That's the question. तापर सेटा समस्त मिसी चंदी. For example, if you are good at something and you really love that, then that becomes your passion. Okay? If you are good at something, even if you don't love it, but you are paid for it. Let's say मु सॉफ्टवेयर कोडिंग करिवारे बहुत बढ़िया, मु तो भलो न पाई पारे किंतु मु कोडिंग करिवारे बहुत बढ़िया, हा मते लोक पे भी करचंती. So that becomes my profession. Okay? But let's say mate I am not good at something, I don't love it, but I am paid for it because the world needs it. So that becomes my vocation. It's not my profession, but it becomes my vocation because it is, I am getting paid for it, because the world needs it. And what you love, तमे जो जिनसटा भल पाउ चाहूच, लेट्स से मते मते पढैबा को बढ़िया चाहू, मु पढिया को बढ़िया लागुची, how the world needs that, then that becomes my mission. बुझी पालो? And ikigai concept होची जेतबेले ए सबु जाक मिसी जाउची, माने तमे जेंदी फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से हमरो एग्जांपल दियो तरा फॉर एग्जांपल वर्तमान जे वैक्सीन तयारी करची कोविड-19 न जे वैक्सीन तयारी कला, if he loves his work, he is good at it, but of course so vaccine बाहर करतला, is he paid for it? Of course he is paid for it. Does the world need it? Of course the world needs it. So that becomes his ikigai, right? It is a Japanese concept. तो तमे बहुत समय तमर करियर प्रोफेशन रे आसीबो जे मु कोन करिया चाहूची and मते मो कोन करिया उचित, right? मु को चाकरीटा करिया उचित, को प्रोफेशन टा करिया उचित. If you are good at something and you just are paid for it but you don't love it, it becomes your profession but it does not become your ikigai because you don't love it. So what you love, what you are good at, what you are paid for, and what the world needs, ए चारिटा जिंस जदि तमे जानी पारिलो ताल तमे तमर इकिगाई पाई गलो, and then you will have यदि फिल्म रे कोंती you live happily ever after. ए जिंसटा पाइबाटा किंतु गोटे सहज जिंस न, कारण तमे you might be good at something or you might love doing something but you might not be paid for it. बहुत लोक अछन हम ओडिसा रे पूरा पल्ली रे माने बहुत सुंदर गीत गाउचंती but unfortunately they are not paid for it, right? Because nobody pala jo mane gaउचंती and all these things, but they are not paid enough for it, right? So all these things coming together should become your ikigai. So जेतबेले तमे डिसाइड करूचो कोन करिवो, तमे बर्तन तमे जीवन रे गोटे स्टेज रे आस जाइचो, जो स्टेज रे तमे डिसाइड करचो जे मु लाइफ रे कोन करिवि, राइट? एटा करिवि सेटा करिवि एटा एथ्रे करिवि सेटा करिवि, हाउ डू यू डिसाइड? सेटा को तमे तमरो गोटे एमते गोटे ग्राफ बनैबो निज जीवन रो, ए ग्राफ रे तमे डिसाइड करिवो जे मु कोथरे भलो, चिंता करो ना जे कोन बाहरिवो, किंतु तमे चिंता करो जे मु एथरे भलो, चार पांचटा लिखिबो जे आई एम गुड एट दिस थिंग्स, what do you love? I love these things. What can I paid for? को जिंस रे मु कले वर्ल्ड and सेटा को तमे तमे निजर इकिगाई विषय चिंता करिकि then you decide on your life. कहीं देखैली because this is a representation of Venn diagram, right? So ततल जे Venn diagram रो जीवन लक्ष्य कोन परीक्षा रे पास करे diagram से कि no. Okay, understood? किछि thoughts, thinking कोन आछि मन रे? Did you know about this thing? Ikigai, आप इसे जानते लो? अरे किछि आंसर दियो ना समझ पड़े
No,
ले.
sir.
And what do you think? Is it something? Can you do that? Can you do that today?
Yes.
Can you try to create
Yes,
this
sir.
diagram for yourself? निज पई करिवो 15 मिनिट बसिबो, निज पई करिवो. What you are good at लेखि रखो. What you are good at, what you love, what you can be paid for, and what the world needs. Diagram करिवो, तापर देखिवो जे कोटा एई मझी रे कोनटा आसुची, सबुरो कॉमन कोन हला, चेष्टा
Yes, sir.
करिवो.
Yes, sir.
एटा करो आउ तापरे कोन करिवो, गूगल जाईकी वेन डायग्राम सर्च करिवो. वेन डायग्राम फॉर एसएस कोन सेटा एग्जाम का तमना एग्जाम ना कोन
SSC
एसएससी,
CHS, sir.
हां सेटा सर्च करिवो. सर्च करले मु सर्च करथले আজি. For example, मु जेतलो सर्च कली, I found this website. No, not this one. Oops. Okay, so मुझे तो एटा सर्च कली गूगल ले, मोटे एटी गोटे smartkida.com मोटे पाइली. Okay, I don't know what it is. When I went there, I saw there are some Venn diagram quizzes. Quiz 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so बड़ा quiz अच्छी. Which is the following diagram depicts the relations between doctors, lawyers, and professionals. Okay, So professionals ଭିତରେ doctors and lawyers ରହିବ. So this will be like this. Okay,
Sairam
correct answer.
Sujit ଆପଣ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଟିକେ window ଟାକୁ shift କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, share it. So if you are showing something, till now the PPT is on.
Oh, okay. So if we can
Share and then go to the option.
okay, sorry. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
I will share once again. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so मैं इटा खाली just search कली Google रे SSC CHSL Venn diagram. Okay, so first asla ita. Okay, so I saw that there are a lot of quizzes here. Quiz 1. So there are some quizzes here, and here you can actually select something. So for example, this is a question: which of the following diagrams best depicts the relationship between doctors, lawyers, and professionals? So professional with a doctors and lawyers are no overlapping, right? Because no doctor is a lawyer, no lawyer is a doctor. So ame eta ku karle correct
Okay.
answer asiba. Next question: which of the following diagrams best depicts relationship water, atmosphere, and hydrogen? Right? Atmosphere with hydrogen achi, a water bhi achi, both achi. No, this is wrong answer se kochi. So wrong answer kochi eta. So water, atmosphere, and hydrogen. So this is the correct answer. That explanation bhi deichi, right? Hydrogen is a constituent of both water and atmosphere. Water is present in atmosphere. So this is what it is saying. So eta exam eta bahut practice karibo, and next class re asigi ame jodi a bhitere kichi tomar doubt rochi seita ko ame solve kariya chesta kariya. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Then next class रे हमें difficult Venn diagram subject को जिबा जेतोळे कि हमें एई सब गुडा try करिया these ones जोटा कि most likely exam परीक्षा रे पडियो. But again as I said सबले try करिवो जे जते अधिक practice करिवो. This is a question that can be solved within 30 seconds, right? Venn diagram question टा 30 seconds भितरे solve होई पारिवो. तेणु हमें एटा को बहुत practice करिया so that हम पाकरे 2 to 4 marks definitely हमरो थिबो. Okay, let's move on then. ठीक अछि, then we talk on Thursday.
Om Shanti 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 Samastalokaah Sukhino Bhavantu Samastalokaah Sukhino Bhavantu Samastalokaah Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you very much, all of you. Sai Ram.